Okay then guys, welcome back again to another video on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. This time we talk about how you can get the old username back on Instagram. Now, is it even possible? How does that work? So the scenario is that you have and use your Instagram normally. This is your profile, but you change the username from, let's say, Foxtecc to, I don't know, Foxtecc YouTube. And after some time you want to switch it back to the original one. Well, it is possible technically unless someone else has already claimed it. So if you want to find out about that, just go to your profile like this, make sure to edit profile, and in the username try to type in the old one which you have used before to see if anyone has already claimed it. If not, you can just type it in. It's going to tell you that it is available and you're going to be able to use it from now on your own profile. However, if someone else has already claimed it, they already use it, then unfortunately there isn't much what you can do in this case. What you could theoretically do is to get in touch with them in case you know them personally, or let's say in a case that it is your friend or something. I mean, if they would be willing to like give it up, like if you talk to them and they tell you that, okay, I want to go to this one and whatnot, I mean, in that case, it would be fine. But if it's someone who you don't know, which is the most likely scenario, then there isn't much what you can do in this situation. So yes, you can technically get the old one back, but only if it's still available, if nobody has decided that this is going to be the username which I'm going to use now. So yeah, this is essentially the topic which I wanted to explain. You probably knew that already, or at least some of the parts, but if not, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe so you never miss Foxtecc videos in the future, and also check out the Foxtecc educational platform which I created, and you can join it for free. It's going to be linked down below in the description. Plenty of people inside already, so go ahead and join right now, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out until then, see you guys later.